Morning student, I am Ashutosh Mishra. Today I am going to discuss the financial planning. Every business unit, whether it is an industrial establishment, a trading concern, or construction company, needs funds for carrying on its activities successfully. It requires funds to acquire fixed assets like machines, equipment, furniture, etc., and to purchase raw material or finished goods, to pay its creditors, to meet its day to day expense, and so on. In fact, availability of adequate meet its day-to-day expense and so on. In fact, availability of adequate finance is one of the most important factors for success in any business. However, the requirement of finance nowadays is so large that no individual is in position to provide the whole amount from his personal sources. So the businessman has to depend on other sources and use various ways to raise the necessary amount of funds. Every businessman has to be very careful not only in assessing the firm's requirement of finance but also in deciding on the forms in which funds are raised and utilized. Now we are going to discuss meaning of financial planning. Planning is a systematic way of deciding about and doing things in a purposeful manner. When the approach is applied exclusively for financial matter, it termed as financial planning. In other words, in connection with any business enterprise, it refers to the process of estimating a firm's financial requirement and determining pattern of financing. It includes determining the object, policies, procedures, and programs to deal with financial activities. Thus, financial planning involves number one, estimating the amount of capital to be raised. Number two, determining the pattern of financing, that is deciding on the form and proportion of capital to be raised. Number three, formulation of financial policies and procedure for procurement, allocation, and effective utilization of funds. Definition of financial planning. In simple words, financial planning can be defined as the process of estimating the capital required and determining its composition. It is the process of framing financial policies in relation to procurement, investment, and administration of funds of an enterprise. According to Cohen and Robbins, financial planning should determine the financial resources required to meet the company's operating programs, forecast the extent to which these requirements will be met by internal generation of funds and the extent to which they will be met from external sources. Develop the best plan to obtain the requirement external funds. Establish and maintain a system of financial control governing the allocation and use of funds. Formulate programs to provide the most effective profit volume cost relationship. Analyze the financial result of operations, report fact to the top management, and make recommendation on future operations of the firm. Meaning of financial plan. A financial plan is a statement estimating the amount of capital requirement and determining the composition. It emphasizes on the following aspects: how much fund is required, when the fund is required, how the fund should be raised, how to use the funds. Now we will discuss objective of financial planning. The first one is determining the capital requirement. This will depend upon factors like cost of current and fixed assets, promotional expense, and long range planning. Capital requirements have to be looked with both aspects, short term and long term requirements. Number two, determining capital structure. The capital structure is the composition of capital, that is the relative kind of proportion of capital required in the business. This includes decision of debt equity ratio, both short term and long term. Number 3, financial framing financial policies with regards to cash control, lending, borrowing, etc. Number 4, finance manager ensures that the scarce financial resources are maximally utilized in the best possible manner, at least cost, in order to get maximum returns on investment. Now we will see the importance of financial planning. Financial planning is the process of framing objectives, policies, procedures, programs, and budgets regarding the financial activities of concern. This ensures effective and adequate financial and investment policies. The importance can be outlined as the number one is adequate funds have to be ensured. Number two, financial planning helps in ensuring a reasonable balance between outflow and inflow of funds so that stability is maintained. Number third, financial planning ensures that the suppliers of funds are easily investing in companies which exercise financial planning. Number 4. Financial planning helps in making growth and expansion programs which helps in long run survival of the company. Number 5. Financial planning reduces uncertainties with regards to changing market trends which can be faced easily through enough funds. Number 6, financial planning helps in reducing the uncertainties which can be a hindrance to growth of the company. This helps in ensuring stability and deep profitability in